Are you cooking food? Are you cooking food? Yes, I am cooking food. Yes, I am cooking food. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. My favorite food is biryani. When will you have dinner? When will you have dinner? I will eat at 8 pm. I will eat at 8 pm. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? Yes, I like tea. Yes, I like tea. Where will we go to eat? Where will we go to eat? We will go to the restaurant. We will go to the restaurant. Do you want to eat sweets? Do you want to eat sweets? No, thank you. No, thank you. What will you have for lunch? What will you have for lunch? I will have rice and fish. I will have rice and fish. How is your cooking skill? How is your cooking skill? My cooking is average. My cooking is average. Will you drink water? Will you drink water? Yes, I will drink water. Yes, I will drink water. Can we eat together? Can we eat together? Of course, why not? Of course, why not? What are you going to buy? What are you going to buy? I am going to buy some fruits. I am going to buy some fruits. How much does it cost? How much does it cost? It cost 100 rupees. It cost 100 rupees. How is your new dress? How is your new dress? My dress is very nice. My dress is very nice. Did you buy a bag? Did you buy a bag? Yes, I bought a bag. Yes, I bought a bag. Where do you shop? Where do you shop? I shop at local market. I shop at local market. Will you buy a gift? Will you buy a gift? Yes, I will buy a gift. Yes, I will buy a gift. Can you reduce the price? Can you reduce the price? I can reduce a little. I can reduce a little. Will we get a discount? Will we get a discount? Yes, you will get 10% off. Yes, you will get 10% off. Did you buy food? Did you buy food? Yes, I bought everything. Yes, I bought everything. When will you go shopping? When will you go shopping? I will go tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going to Dhaka. I am going to Dhaka. When will you return? When will you return? I will return next week. I will return next week. How was your trip? How was your trip? My trip was amazing. My trip was amazing. Will you go by plane? Will you go by plane? No, I will go by train. No, I will go by train. Can we go together? Can we go together? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Do you have any travel plans? Do you have any travel plans? Yes, I am planning to go abroad. Yes, I am planning to go abroad. When will you start traveling? When will you start traveling? I will start tomorrow morning. I will start tomorrow morning. Are you going alone? Are you going alone? No, I am going with family. No, I am going with family. Is your ticket booked? Is your ticket booked? Yes, my ticket is booked. Yes, my ticket is booked. Do you enjoy traveling? Do you enjoy traveling? Yes, I enjoy it a lot. Yes, I enjoy it a lot. How is your health? How is your health? My health is good. My health is good. Did you see the doctor? Did you see the doctor? Yes, I saw the doctor. Yes, I saw the doctor. Did you take the medicine? Did you take the medicine? Yes, I took the medicine. Yes, I took the medicine. Do you have a headache? Do you have a headache? No, I don't have a headache. No, I don't have a headache. Are you taking rest? Are you taking rest? Yes, I am resting. Yes, I am resting. Are you feeling well? Are you feeling well? Yes, I feel good. Yes, I feel good. Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever? No, I don't have a fever. No, I don't have a fever. Do you have stomach pain? Do you have stomach pain? Yes, I have stomach pain. Yes, I have stomach pain. Do you exercise? Do you exercise? Yes, I exercise regularly. Yes, I exercise regularly. Are you feeling healthy today? Are you feeling healthy today? Yes, I am feeling healthy. Yes, I am feeling healthy. Which class are you in? Which class are you in? I am in 10th grade. I am in 10th grade. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is math. My favorite subject is math. Have you finished studying? Have you finished studying? No, not yet. No, not yet. Are you taking exams? Are you taking exams? Yes, I am taking exams. Yes, I am taking exams. When will you start studying? When will you start studying? Well, I will start in the evening. I will start in the evening. Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. Yes, I go to school. How much did you understand? How much did you understand? I understood most of it. I understood most of it. Do you love reading books? Do you love reading books? Yes, I love reading books. Yes, I love reading books. How was today's class? How was today's class? Today's class was very good. Today's class was very good.